Hit your optimal protein target per meal, minimum 30 grams per meal to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Another way to think about this is whatever your ideal body weight is. So let's say it's 150 pounds. You want to try and get 150 grams per day of protein. So whatever your ideal body weight is, 1 gram per pound of ideal body weight. This is key to losing weight with Hashimoto's. Protein is used by the body to build and repair tissue, and it's also used to make enzymes, hormones, and other chemicals in the body. With Hashimoto's, we already struggle with being sufficient with high quality muscle mass, aka meat on the bones. If we don't get enough protein, we are setting ourselves up for an uphill battle when it comes to weight loss. Protein is a nutrient-dense food and it is super satiating. It also has a high thermogenic effect, which means that it takes more calories to break down a protein than, say, other macronutrients. I like my protein to come from an animal source. Why is this? Protein from an animal source has a more complete amino acid profile. Amino acids and protein are required for the building blocks of life in our body. And so if you're taking in a plant-based protein, you are not getting the full, complete amino acid profile, which can make recovery after you work out more challenging. So hit your optimal protein targets, ladies, ideally from an animal source.